an electric iron consume energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate, and 360 watt when it is at minimum rate. Okay. The voltage means potential difference is 220 volt. We have to find out what are the current and resistance in each case. Okay, see. So one thing that I want to tell you, the SI unit of power is watt. Okay. So here this 840 watt and 360 watt. Electric iron consume two type of energy. One when it takes at a higher rate and one when it takes as minimum rate. Okay, so we have two cases, when power is equals to 840 watt and when power is equals to 360 watt. Okay, and we have potential difference is 220 volt. Okay, first of all we have to find out the value of current. How we get the value of current? Okay, we know that power is equals to solution. Okay, we know that power is equals to V into I. Okay, in first case we have power 840 watt is equals to potential difference 220 volt into I. So I is equals to 840 upon 220. Okay. (42 upon 11 ampere). Okay. So this is first case. In second case, we have case 1. In case 2, we have power equals to V upon I. Power is 360 watt and potential difference is same. Current is equals to 360 upon 220. Okay, now 18 upon 11 ampere. Okay, you can also convert this fraction into decimal form, okay, to get linear answer. Okay, so we have I and I. So we get the answer of current, how much current flow in this case. Okay, now we have also find out resistance in each case. So here we know that R is equals to R is equals to V upon I. V upon I. R is equals to V upon I. So here V is equals to 220 and I is equals to 42 upon 11. Find. And here also R is equals to V upon I. We have V 220 and here current is 18 upon 11 ampere. Get the value of resistance. So by this way we get the solution of this numerical. Here we use only one formula, which is P is equals to V into I. Okay. Next question is 100 joule of heat are produced each second. Each second means 1 second. In a 4 ohm resistance, find the potential difference. Okay, so the SI unit of power is watt and the SI unit of heat is joule. Okay, so we have in a given part heat is equals to 100 joule. Okay, time is equals to 1 second. Okay, resistance equals to 4 ohm. Okay, and we need to find out the value of potential difference. Okay, so we know that the formula of heat is equals to I square RT. I square RT. Okay, so I square equals to H upon RT. H upon RT, and I is equals to root under H upon RT. Okay, and which is equals to 5. Okay, so 5 ampere is a current. Okay, 5 ampere is current. Using, we can find the value of current 5 ampere with the help of this formula. Formula is what? H equals to I square RT. So now we know that V is equals to IR by Ohm's law. Okay, so I is equals to 5 ampere and resistance is 4 ohm. Now we get 20 volt as a potential difference. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer of this numerical.